Hello guys and welcome back to Tireplex, a place where we tell you everything you want to know about tires of a car or a two-wheeler or even a luxury MPV like this one. Now this of course is the Kia Carnival luxury MPV. It went on sale a few months back in the Indian market. This one is the top-end limousine version. Yours for approximately 35 lakh rupees ex-showroom daily, which is around 40 lakh rupees on road depending upon the city you're in. Huge. It's wide, it's spacious, and it's heavy. So this heavy and powerful diesel Carnival, what are the tires it uses? What are the alloy wheels like? The tire size? Let's take you through them one by one. Now these are the alloy wheels of the Kia Carnival, finished in chrome. These are multi-spoke ones. You can see they gel in with the sheer size of the Carnival. The size is 18 inches. These are huge, these are big, and the good thing is they actually come with locally made MRF tires. MRF is well known in India for providing the right kind of tires for your small cars or for your SUV. So these are MRF tires on the Carnival. We are sure at some point of time we have all used MRF tires on our sedans or hatchbacks or SUVs. These are the Wanderer brand tires, very famous especially on bigger vehicles. So MRF Wanderers are the tires seen on the Kia Carnival. These are the Eco Tread ones for possibly low resistance. The tire size is good enough. As I told you, these are 18-inch alloy wheels, and the tire size stands at a very generous 235 by 60. So basically the width of the tire is 235 millimeters, the side profile is 60, and the size is 18. The same can be seen right over here. Once again, to show you how these look, let me just go around the car. White, by the way, is my favorite shade. So this is how the alloy wheels on the Carnival look like. We have more such videos on the channel of the wheels and tires seen on different Indian cars and bikes. So after this video, go to our channel, have a look at all the videos. Secondly, more such videos will be coming up of the new Honda City, the new Verna, and so on. So to get a notification when the video go live, you know what to do guys. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. So these were the alloy wheels and the tire size of the massively huge Kia Carnival.